In this video, I'll show you how to link your Steam account to your Oculus Quest 2 so you can play your Steam VR games in VR. Step 1. Set up Oculus Link or Air Link. Make sure your Oculus Quest 2 is ready with Oculus Link, wired, or Air Link, wireless, enabled. For Oculus Link, connect your Quest 2 to your PC with a high-quality USB-C cable. For Air Link, ensure both your PC and Quest 2 are on the same strong Wi-Fi network. Then enable Air Link in your headset settings. Step 2. Install Steam and SteamVR on your PC. On your PC, download and install Steam from steampowered.com if you haven't already. Install SteamVR from the Steam Store. Step 3. Launch Oculus Link or Air Link on Quest 2. Put on your headset. Enable Oculus Link or Air Link to connect to your PC. Step 4. Open SteamVR. On your PC, launch SteamVR. You should now see your SteamVR environment in your Quest 2 headset. Step 5. Play SteamVR games. Use your Quest 2 controllers to browse and launch your SteamVR games. Enjoy your VR gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Oculus Quest tutorials.